Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. That's Dalton, Dalton My World. And as you know, anytime I get paid from YouTube, I usually try to reinvest it back into YouTube, my YouTube channel, which is my hobby, not my job. But I always try to reinvest unless I have an emergency situation where I can't. Okay, I usually try to reinvest. Now, I'm really excited today. Okay, I got this. I've been waiting to get this for a long time. Now, this particular baby, that's right, it's called a selfie stick. And this is so well priced that I recommend this for anybody who wants to take excellent pictures or videos, especially of your pets, whatever. This is really nice. This is versatile. This is more than just a selfie stick. This is a tripod as well. And it also has something very special included with it. Okay? Now, it is called VVTran. That's VVTran. Okay. Now, got my cue cards, so I'll try to stay on track. Got my drink, nice tea, herbal. Hope you got your drink. I'll wait a second. All right. Got your pen and piece of paper so you can write this down because this is going to be a good deal. This is a selfie stick. It's called VVTran. Okay. Now, what's so unique about this? This is a 3-in-1 selfie stick. Okay. This particular selfie stick stretches out to, listen closely, 40 inches. It becomes a 40-inch tripod. Okay? Look how beautiful that is. That's it. See how compact it is? This stretches out to 40 inches. 40 inches right there. Okay? And you know what's so unique about this? I've been wanting to get this for a long time. Okay, what's so unique about this is, yes, you got it. It comes with a Bluetooth remote that can work on Androids or iPhones. This baby right here comes with a Bluetooth remote included. Okay? And I've been wanting a Bluetooth remote ever since I saw Jamie Zebra 23. She had one on her show, and it made it look so easy because she was able to turn it on at any time, turn it off, you know. And sometimes her Bluetooth remotes go disappearing. You know, she has a couple kids. They probably throw down the toilet stool. You know how kids are. You know, if you got a dog, a big dog, you know, they eat anything. It smells good. But ever since I saw her with her Bluetooth remote, I was like, I need to get one of those. Okay, but again, this is 40 inches. This sucker stretches out to 40 inches. I will try to put up some pictures on this video. Okay, so you can get a good idea of all the versatility and the flexibility this particular selfie stick can do. Now, here's the deal. As I told you, it has a Bluetooth remote and it is detachable. So if you just need to use a remote with a different tripod, you can do that. It could detach from this selfie stick. So you're getting really 3 things in one, okay? Because you're getting a tripod, a selfie stick, and a remote, okay? All for the sweet price of $17.99. You heard me right. And that's not on sale. That's the average price, $17.99, excluding tax. You just can't beat that, people. That's great. It's awesome. And This gives you the flexibility to make your videos in a lot of different ways. You can actually make your videos as you walking into the room, getting ready to sit down and do your video, because you can turn it on way ahead of time. Okay, I'll spy on somebody, put your camera up there, turn it on while you go in your bedroom. You can watch to see if they drinking all your good liquor. You know how Uncle James does. Anyway, this is a selfie stick, a phone mount, a shutter, which is the Bluetooth remote, and it also comes with a mini USB charger so you can charge up the remote. Okay, all that comes together for the small price of $17.99. This is really a must-have for a brand new YouTuber if you can afford it. Okay, this is a good deal. Well, enough of me talking. Let me bust it out real quick. Oh, and that's the remote right there. Look how sweet that is. See how compact that is? That right there, you can tell what that is. I know what it is now. That's for where your iPhone or your Android goes into and it clips down. Now I know, because I have a tripod. When I got my first tripod, I didn't know what the how that work. Let's bust this open, shall we? Also, as you can see right here, it comes with a full manual. Okay, pictures and everything. That rocks. Again, price $17.99. Can you beat? I don't know if you can beat that. Let me go ahead and do this. Look how excited I am. Man, I've been waiting on this one right here. I mean, you can literally make little movies with this thing, because you got the remote control. You can start your movies, walk on in, the door and everything. It's awesome. Anyway, that's your dual charger for your Bluetooth. Okay. Here it is. See that? Tripod. Okay. And the extension is right here. It can go out to 40 feet. And you can stretch it all the way out to 40 feet. And you'll hold it like this for a while. And you can see everything behind you. So let's say when I do my outdoor videos I do, sometimes my story times, if I'll stretch that way out, I can still do a story time. You can see everything behind it. It gives you a full view. Okay, almost a 360. Definitely at 180. Okay, nice, isn't that? Right here, that's the Bluetooth, detachable. Sweet. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, yeah. I like this. I like this a lot. Look at that. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Still going, people. Look at that. All the way down. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Then pop that tripod like that. Boom. Or you could just hold it as a handle and do your video that way. Oh, the things you could do with this. The beautiful videos and pictures you could take with this. $17.99. I bought it off of Amazon. Of course, you could buy it off of most likely eBay. And it's called VVTran. That's two V's. VVTran. Okay, I am so excited. I can't wait to use this. Okay, now this baby also got 4.5 stars on Amazon. That's almost 5 stars. They only go up to 5 stars, so that's pretty good. Okay, Some parts of it plastic, some parts are metal, but it feels very sturdy. And you saw how I pulled it out. Wow. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Anyway, that is my unboxing. That's my text. That's Dalton's tech unboxing for the selfie stick, the VVTran selfie stick. Only $17.99. Yeah, get yours today. Even if you, like me, just have YouTube as a hobby, man, you can see how that's going to come in handy. Come on, and with remote control, you could take a picture as a remote control or turn it on before you even get to your camera. Are you serious? Ooh, the possibilities, baby. Anyway, I can go on all night like this, but I won't. So, I ask if you enjoyed this video, I ask you to give me a thumbs up, I ask you to subscribe, and I ask you to share it with other people, especially other new YouTubers or people who have YouTube as a hobby, even if they have a Facebook or some other platform, you know, as a hobby. I'm telling you, this baby will definitely help them out, okay? Especially like TikTok, where you gotta do stuff in far away or something like that. Anyway, that is my unboxing of the VVTran selfie stick. Okay, this spans 40 inches. I know, that's what she said. No, okay. Anyway, I ask you to subscribe. All right, give it a thumbs up. Give me your comments, respectful comments in the box below, and I'll wrap to y'all later. Stay safe. Peace out.